जो भी लोग राइटिंग पसंद करते हैं कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर सच डेज होते हैं, वो भी बहुत कम होते हैं, नॉट लाइक Amazon एंड Myntra. They are treating us like small kids, yeah. I mean, who won't get motivated after you get to read? This is a travel planner. जैसे कि आपको नाम, once you get a hang of it, then you can start buying the higher end. Hello Zesties, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Neha and today I have some amazing planners for all the beginners out there, and people who are not beginners can also watch this video and can also buy them. So I use the word amazing for two reasons. First is all the planners are of great quality. Second is it's highly affordable. I mean, all are below 300 rupees. So you can imagine you are getting both these things in one planner. So it's a win-win situation. Writing planners, according to me, makes you like really focus and gets you into better habits. And if anyone is watching this video with thoughts like कि यार planner is a waste of time, it's so boring. Trust me, you can start with any of these planners that I'm going to show today, and I know that you guys are gonna love to write after that. So let's start this video quickly. First is this planner. I mean, look at the cover. It's like they have printed all the motivational quotes, okay, like I am on the road to financial success, the millionaire mindset. These are like really thoughtful ones, and there are a million ways to make £1 million. I mean, who won't get motivated after you get to read this kind of a cover? So this is a daily planner. There are 200 pages. It's very handy, and there are some planners जो सिर्फ लड़कियों के लिए बने होते हैं. I have such planners ahead, so you'll get to know. But this is like a neutral one. I mean, anyone can use it, like boys, girls, anyone. I am totally loving it. When you open the planner, okay, they have given these 3 cards. So either you can like stick it on your wall or keep it somewhere around you so that you get motivated. और इस पे इतनी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें लिखी हुई है, like stay humble, okay, then just try, okay, just effing try. Even if you fail, you can still try again. Like I would love to read these quotes like whenever I feel low. So yeah, you are getting this. And there is one more. You don't get into something to test the waters. You go into the things to make waves. I mean, wow. So these are the 3 cards that you are getting inside. Then the moment you open it, this is the first page wherein you write your name and you sign, you put your date and everything. So this is the first page. And then comes the main planner. So here you write your date, then the day name and top priorities for today, to-do list, day schedule. Then comes your notes, whatever you want to write, important notes. Then there is a section where they have given for self-care. In that they have like hours slept, water intake, did some form of exercise, all these things. And there is a place where you can write tasks for tomorrow. So this is like a complete daily planner. There is everything in it, and for to-do list also there is quite a good space. So that is a very nice thing. Notes के लिए भी अच्छी खासी जगह है. So I think it's a good one. The main part is the quality of the pages, because I have seen planners where you cannot write in ball pens, okay, so you need like a marker or like a gel pen to write. So these pages, in fact all the planners के pages, you can comfortably write in normal ball pen. So this is how the planner is. The back side is something like this. Here also some motivational things are going on, like a beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. Okay, so all these things are there. It's a nice cover, okay, spiral binded, very good. And look at the cost, yeah, matlab you are getting these. Of course you are not getting like a sticker and a calendar and all that, but this is like a planner for beginner. Okay, these are all the planners for beginners. So beginner के लिए इतना ठीक है. Once you get a hang of it, then you can start buying the higher end ones. Okay, starting में इतना खर्चा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, because one day you will write and then 10 days you won't. So let's not do that. Next is this one. This is also a daily planner. Okay, and there is a nice cute cat on the cover. The cover is not very much hard bound, but it's good. Like it is quite enough to cover the book. So when you open the book, this is the first page, okay, and this is a 1-page planner. So this is all it has. So यहाँ पे there is to-do list. So there is date and then days are given, so you can tick mark. Then there are expenses, okay, and notes over here. and there are top priorities, there are things that I learned today, so it's like a gratitude thing. So this is a very very simple planner. Okay, again a very good planner for beginner. तो expenses भी लिख सकते हैं, because as you know teenagers and young adults don't really have a count of how much you are spending, so this section is like you know really important. तो this is a one page thing, and ऐसे ही मतलब left right पे ऐसे pages दिए हुए हैं. So again this is also around 140 pages का, which is quite good. Pages are of good quality, and this is like very handy and short and sweet planner. So this is the next one. So both these look the same, okay, because they are from the same brand, that is Timewise, but the content is totally different. So this is a travel planner, जैसे कि आपको नाम से ही पता चल रहा है. This was like something new for me. I mean आते होंगे ऐसे travel planners, but मैंने कभी देखे नहीं थे और मैंने कभी खरीदे भी नहीं थे. I found this really exciting. So I know people who are travel freaks, and they you know love to plan the travel way before they do the bookings. So उनके लिए तो यार this is like a very very perfect one. Okay, and people who have started to travel like me, okay, like I was not traveling that much earlier. अभी मैंने just start किया है. This is like a beginner friendly travel planner for me, and this is really good. मैं आपको अंदर का दिखाती हूँ तब आपको समझ में आएगा. So the moment you open the book, so first page is this one, so where you write about the trip, about transportation, budget, weather, सब कुछ आप यहाँ पे लिखते हो. There are nice like animated things going on. Okay, so date of the travel. So this is like a travel detail that you are writing, like hotels आपने कौन से book किए हैं, and transportation, how are you going to travel and all that. So the second page is the packing list. Okay, like documents आपको कौन से लेने हैं, then the clothes, then gadgets and other stuff. So nicely given, nice space. Okay, then comes the trip outline. Okay, where you write your day, place and the things that you have done, and छोटी सी जगह है for the notes. So this is a very important thing, because you know you go to different places, छोटे छोटे जगह भी होते हैं, तो you can nicely note down. So the next page is also about that. Sometimes there is a long trip, तो बहुत सारे जगह पे आप जाते हो, तो you can note down everything, like 2 pages are given. So then comes this page, this empty place they have given, like to stick your photos या memories जो भी आपने लिए हैं वहां से. You can stick your pictures and then doodle over it. Okay, and next page is also for that. So they have given like 2 empty pages. Then comes the last page, wherein there are some things to be written. जैसे best part about the trip, my favorite thing I ate was, funny incidents, first time experiences, how do I feel after this trip. So all these things you can fill out. यहाँ पे इनका एक set खत्म हो जाता है. Then comes again the same thing. Okay, so basically one set consists of 7 pages, मतलब one after the other. So total like 7 pages, and then one set gets over, then comes the other set. You can even carry this while you're traveling. So very travel friendly, very handy, very light. Okay, very good quality pages, and in between they have given some affirmations also, like these. Okay, so oh, the places you will go. So there's one more, like see the world, it's more fantastic than any dream. Wow, crazy quotes for travel. So this was the third planner that I had, and if I had to give rating, I would give it 9 on 10. Very well done. So then comes the next planner. Okay, ये बहुत ऐसे colorful लग रहा है ना. Even I like such planners. So this is more of a calendar style. Okay, like you have to open it like this. So this is like a calendar style thing. And it's very cute. It's very girly. I mean, all the colors I think girls love. Like cartoon colors, ऐसे सब mix. Okay, if any boy is liking it, please go ahead. Okay, I am not discriminating. It's just my thought. The content is also very pretty. The way they have written daily planner, I mean, look at the font. It's you know very attractive. So they have put this arrow, you know, see the detailing, it's so cute. Again the same thing, like you write your date, you tick mark the day, then comes goals. So 3 goals they have given, like any important goals for today. Okay, so this is the daily planner, by the way. I think I forgot to mention that. So any goals particularly for today, you can write those over here. For example, exercise. Okay, so you can write that, or maybe drinking 3 liters of water, that can be your goal for today. So you can write any of these. Then comes morning, afternoon and evening. So anything important can be mentioned here. मतलब morning में अगर कोई appointment है तो that you can write anything of that sort. Then they have given a small section for shopping list. अगर कुछ shopping करना है तो you can write here. Then breakfast, lunch, dinner, you can write whatever you have eaten. Then to-do list and notes. So it's like a cute thing. Different colors are going on. It's pretty cute. Okay, I really loved it. And so I think इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा pages है, maybe around 150 to 200 के around होंगे. तो बाहर उन्होंने mention भी किया है that what all you can write and how to write and all that. So this one is also a daily planner. Okay, यहाँ पे भी अच्छे से mention किया हुआ है बाहर. Okay, what you are supposed to write. They are treating us like small kids, yeah. So this is how the planner is. Okay, this is again a very simple, very cute planner. Today's mood, water intake. Okay, everybody is focusing on water intake, guys. It's very important. So goals for today you can write here. Then there is schedule, then to-do list and reminder. I think ये जो planner है इसमें सबसे कम चीजें हैं. People who are not much into expressing and writing can definitely go for this. Okay, ज़्यादा इसमें लिखने वाली चीजें नहीं है, just आप ऐसे point wise लिख के खत्म कर सकते हैं. So this is also a good thing, but I personally love writing. Okay, I love journaling. I love writing planners. So this might not be a perfect match for me personally, but ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जिनको ऐसे बहुत कम लिखना पसंद है. Like my husband, okay, he is very bad at expressing and very bad at writing. I think such planners are for him. Everything said and done, the only problem I had was the quality of the planner. ये एक पीस ऐसा आया होगा, okay, if I exchange it तो ठीक हो जाएगा, but I'll just let you know कि problems थे कहाँ पे. So this area, as you can see, यहाँ पे ऐसे फटा हुआ है. Over here also you can see the bend. Okay, so this is, I think ये dispatching के time पे हुआ होगा. Also you can see some brown spots. Okay, it's not very clean, so I might just exchange it. So I'm mentioning all this so that you guys be careful, क्योंकि उनके जो exchanging and returning days होते हैं वो भी बहुत कम होते हैं, not like Amazon and Myntra. So yeah, next comes this planner. This is again a daily planner. This is just for rupees 161, guys. इतने कम प्राइस में कुछ मिलता है क्या आजकल? Maybe yes. So the print of the cover is very nice. Though I had not ordered this one, मैंने कोई और cover place किया था, but they have sent me this. So this is very like sober, very peaceful. So it's very nice. I liked it. So as soon as you open it, okay, यहाँ पे आपको अपने details fill up करने हैं, like name and mobile number and email. So you can fill this out. Then comes the main planner. So this is a 2-page planner, okay, and starting with whatever days and dates, okay, as usual. Then comes top priorities, emails. So here I found some things different, like there is personal to-do list. Okay, as you can see, personal to-do list. Then there is normal to-do list. Okay, so they have divided it. Then comes health and fitness. ये यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा नया है and it is very important. Okay, health is really important. तो हर दिन आपको कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना है and you have to mention it over here.
Then comes breakfast, lunch, dinner का section. Then water tracker. Then comes daily schedules. Okay, then there are notes, appointments, notes for tomorrow, expense tracker.
Money deposited for future. Then rate your day. Okay, so this is also a very nice thing, like rate your day in terms of productivity, mood, health. Okay, so this is very nice. But here there is a lot of writing going on. जो भी लोग writing पसंद करते हैं can definitely go for such planners. Okay, because there is a lot of writing. Okay, it's a 2-page thing and बहुत लिखना भी है. You know, the funny part is I had seen the same planner, exactly the same print, the same content, everything was same on Amazon. That was for around 300 rupees. So this is exactly like, you know, half the price, or you know, I'm getting similar. Plus the difference was the fonts over there were colorful, okay, and यहाँ it is black and white. बस उतना ही difference है, and you're getting this for half the price. तो yeah, and this is overall a good planner. मतलब good writing space and quality of the pages, everything is good. तो even if they have copied it, good job. I have got all the varieties, you guys. इतना you know, ढूंढ के मैंने सारे planners निकाले हैं. I deserve 1 like and subscription also. Okay, coming back to our planner. So this is a weekly planner. Okay, something different. बाकी सारे daily planners थे. This is a weekly planner and this is how it looks. First of all, it is like a calendar style again. So this is how you open it. Okay, there is a transparent cover. तो इतनी ज़्यादा privacy नहीं है, थोड़ा छुपा के रखो. Then there is this spiral binding going on, which is golden, which is very pretty. क्योंकि सबके ऐसे black में थे. This is the golden thing that they have given, and the planner looks something like this. Okay, like focus of the week. You know, there are top priorities, there are low priorities, there are follow-ups, to-do list, notes. Then there is something called as habit tracker. Okay, and they have given like Monday, Tuesday अलग-अलग section over here for all the days of the week. And this is like, you know, very ऐसे मुद्दे की बात. Okay, ज़्यादा इसमें फॉर्मेलिटीज़ नहीं है, बिकॉज वीकली प्लानिंग टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ विजन, क्योंकि बहुत दूर की आपको सोचनी है. यहाँ पे तो दिन का ही हमें पता नहीं होता है कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. यू हैव टू प्लान लाइक फॉर अ वीक, तो मेनी थिंग्स गेट कैंसल्ड एंड दिस इज लाइक अ गुड प्लानर, क्योंकि कम पेजेस है. यू नो, सम पेजेस माइट गेट वेस्टेड, आप कुछ कैंसिल करोगे, कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो देयर आर वेरी लाइक लेस पेजेस एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ वीकली प्लानिंग थ्रू दिस प्लानर. इफ देर इज नथिंग टू मच पर्सनल, तो आप अपने स्टडी टेबल पे रख सकते हैं एंड इट कैन रिमाइंड यू ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव रिटन. मतलब दे हैव अराउंड 52 पेजेस विच इज क्वाइट गुड फॉर बिगिनर्स. ओके, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग दिस, प्लीज do not go for high end planners, they are not for beginners. Okay, पहले आप लिखना शुरू करो, पहले आप उसकी आदत लगाओ, then only go for high end planners. जितने भी आप YouTube पे वीडियोस देखो, they look really fancy and you feel like buying them. एक तो they are all costly, they are all above 500 and you will buy them क्योंकि उस टाइम पे आपको वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लग रहे हैं, फैंसी लग रहे हैं, बट you won't write on it. Okay, because आपको आदत नहीं है. तो आदत आपको ऐसे वाले प्लानर से लगानी पड़ेगी विच आर गुड क्वालिटी एंड ऑल्सो अफोर्डेबल. तो प्लीज गाइज, वो ऐसे फैंसी वर्ल्ड में मत जाओ. So this is all I had for today. Okay, these are all the planners that were there on Meesho. So I don't think वहाँ पे और भी ऐसे अलग content वाले कोई planners है भी. तो जितने थे मैंने order किए and I hope you guys liked today's video. Links मैं सबके description में डाल दूंगी. Prices भी आपको screen पे दिख जाएंगे. तो yeah, please go and buy whichever you want. And this is just the start of the year. Yeah, मतलब पूरा साल बचा है. तो अगर अभी भी आप खरीदोगे तो भी it will be useful and you can start your planner journey from now. And all the best for that. Everyone should get indulged in writing planners. I feel that is like a very very important thing. If you want to become a successful person, start planning your day, start planning your week, month and then year. Okay, so yeah, that's all that I had for today. If you have enjoyed, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe and भर भर के comments करो यार. Engagement is very important for the video to go ahead and for more and more people to watch it. So yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, love you, bye bye.